Now we are going to see about what is a share and a debenture. So share, first we'll see about share. Share is a unit. Share is actually a physical document which a company will be having a number of shares and the public will be open to buy the shares. The total capital of the company is divided. So assume a company is having a capital of 1 crore. If I'm dividing it by 1 crore shares, each share will be of price 1 rupee. So 1 rupee will be the price of the each share. Assume there are 1 crore shares in the company. The capital of the company is number of shares into price per share. Okay. So only public limited companies can issue shares. Public limited means you have to register a company as public limited company, and only those companies can issue shares. And there are two types of shares. One is preferential share and equity share. Preferential share means it carries a preference. You will have a priority and you will carry a right on dividend of capital. So depending on how much you are going to provide dividend to the shareholders and the payment of capital, the preferential shares will be varying, but equity shares will have no preference. It is going to be common for everybody. So two types of shares are there: preferential shares and equity shares. So if you add these two, you will get the total number of shares in the company. So assume if I have told an example, the one company's worth is 1 crore. I'm going to divide the company into I'm going to divide the capital of the company into 1 crore shares of each 1 rupee. Then totally I will have 1 crore shares. Among the 1 crore shares, I can have 50 lakh shares for preferential shares and 50 lakh shares for the equity shares. Okay, or the ratio might be different depending on the company. Now, one is debenture. Debenture means it is used to indicate debt. Okay, instrument acknowledging a debt by a company to a person. So it means that the company is in debt and it needs money. So you can raise money through debentures. So it is issued by stock, bonds, and securities. You have something called a SEBI, right? Stock Exchange and Bureau of India. So there you can go and buy these debentures by pledging that your company is in debt and you need money. It will be giving the debentures to a person who is the representative of the company. So two types of resources where you can raise money in a company: share and a debenture.